Good day, viewers. I remain my humble self again. Otemu Ogenenyero teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Mass Success. God bless you. Let's talk about chain rule. So if y is a function of u and u is a function of x, comma, then dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. You can say dy du dot. Dot is also times. So let us solve some problem as regards this math. Example. Number 1. Okay, so differentiate 1 minus 2x raised to the power 2 all raised to the power 4 with respect to x. Solution. With respect to what? To x. I'm now saying, okay, y is equal to 1 minus 2x raised to the power 2 or raised to the power 4. I'm now saying, okay, let y be this thing, this be u raised to the power of 4. Let y be what is inside the bracket. I will replace the bracket with u raised to the power of 4. So the two alphabet is y and u. So dy du, when you differentiate this, it becomes 4u raised to the power 3. 4u, because we use 4 to multiply the u, 4 minus 1 is 4. Now, and that's okay, let u be what is now inside the bracket, which is 1 minus 2x raised to the power 2. So two alphabet u and s. U is a function of x. Now du dx is equal to, when you differentiate a constant, is 0. So we now say 2 times minus 2 give us minus 4x. Minus 4x, because 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's minus 4x. So therefore, dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. So let us substitute. Dy dx is equal to dy du dot du dx. So what is now dy dx? What we now going to look for? Dy du. What is dy du? Is 4u raised to power 3. 4u raised to power 3. And what is du ds? Is minus times minus 4x. Okay? Now, if you look at this, you can also write like this: 4 into, what is our u this time? Our u is 1 minus 2x raised to power 2. 1 minus 2x raised to power 2. This time is raised to power 3 times minus 4x. So we cannot use this to multiply this. Minus 4x times 4 give us minus 16x into 1 minus 2x raised to power 2 or raised to power 3. So this is the answer when you differentiate that. I want to do example number. Okay, let's solve example number 2. We are asked to differentiate 3x minus 8 or raised to the power of minus 3. So we now write solution. y is equal to 3x minus 8 raised to the power of minus 3. And I say let y be what is inside this bracket, which is 3x, be what in by which I call it u, sorry, u raised to the power of minus 3. What the bracket is, I will call what is the bracket u. So dy du, when you differentiate, it becomes minus 3u raised to power minus 3 minus 1, give us minus 4. Minus 3 minus 1 give us minus 4. So let me just say let u be what is inside the bracket now, which is 3x minus 8. So du dx is now 3, because we now use 1 to multiply 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Every 3 to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. We differentiate a constant is 0. So dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx is equal to dy du times du dx. Let's substitute dy du now, dy dx, sorry. What is now dy du? Okay, dy du, not the s again, dy du, sorry. Correct myself. So dy du is what? Minus 3u raised to the power of minus 4. Then what is now du dx is times 3. Is times 3. Take note, here is dy du. It's not the s. We have two values here, y and u. Now, minus 3u raised to power minus 4 times 3. So 3 times minus 3 give us minus 9u raised to power minus 4. And what is now u there? U is 3x minus 8. Bracket 3x minus 8. Minus 8. This time is raised to the power of minus 4, which is here. Raised to the power of minus 4. Though you can leave the answer like this, but this is a negative indices. So let's change it from a negative indices to a positive indices, which is equal to minus 9 all over 3x minus 8 all raised to the power of 4. So I have now changed it from a negative indices to a positive indices.